Boats on the river, like I'm hype about it all. So I got my Polaroid. I'm locked in. The only one I got a different jacket is that Bron right there with his flag bearer jacket. Look at it. Look at it.
Do you know how to tie a tie?
I do. I watched JT's tutorial. I aim to inspire people.
I mean, I think what's different is always a new experience. New group of guys. Some guys have never been Olympians before, so you want them to see the whole, the whole moment of being here, part of Paris. So, it's a great opportunity for myself to continue to inspire the next generation, and super excited to be here, man. And like I said, I've been a part of Athens, Greece, the Athens Games, the Beijing Games, the London Games, and now the Paris Games, and they're always special in their own right. So. It's 2024, and this is another special moment, not only for this country of France, but also for us other Olympians that's here, representing the United States of America.
Hey, give your passport back, nigga.
I'm American, man. They said they bring it all out there.
I feel like when we were walking, it was raining. Now we're
You want to skateboard?
Yeah, they're like, listen, y'all need to get out. That's a dope USA. I'm sorry, but our USA is like really.
I can't be that bad. But we're here for USA, and we're ready to go out and all compete on the high level.
Yeah, I need one. Appreciate you.